As earlier stated, in my Firefox I have already saved shortcuts to either the Analytics, Enterprise Manager, BI Publisher, and the Administration Console. So I'll go ahead and click on the link for Enterprise Manager, then type in WebLogic, and the password is automatically populated, so click Login. In the left pane, expand Business Intelligence and click on Core Application. Click the Deployment tab, click the Repository tab, and click Lock and Edit Configuration. Click Close when you receive the confirmation message, Lock and Edit configuration completed successfully. Click Browse and navigate to the directory with the Paint repository. Select the paint.rpd file and click Open. Enter admin123 as the repository password and confirm the password. Click Apply. Confirm that the default RPD is now Paint with an extension other than just regular .rpd. Click Activate Changes. Click Close when you receive this message. Activate changes completed successfully. Click Restart to apply recent changes to navigate to the Overview page. On the Overview page, click Restart. Click Yes when you receive the message, "Are you sure you want to restart OBIEE components?" This will take a few moments. Click Close when you receive the message, "Restart all completed successfully." In the next step, we will have to create and run an analysis. Return to the Oracle BI, which should still be open. If not, open a new tab and enter the necessary URL to open your analytics, or you can simply click on Analytics, assuming that you saved shortcuts to your BI analytics. Enter WebLogic, click Sign in to log in. On the home page, click on the Home tab. In the left navigation pane, under Create an Analysis and Interactive Reporting, select Analysis, then select Paint. In the left navigation pane, expand the fact table and confirm that the actual unit, price, and revenue rank columns are visible. Create an analysis by double-clicking brand from the product table, dollars from the fact table, revenue rank from the fact table, units from the fact table, and actual unit price from the fact table. We will begin with the brand from the product table. Dollars from the fact table, revenue rank, units, actual unit price. We run. Return to the criteria. Sort revenue rank in ascending order. Click results to view the analysis results. You will notice that McCloskey is ranked as number 1 in terms of sales, and the rest are following in ascending order as brief. Next, we want to check the query log. In this set of steps, we use another method to check the query log. Click the administration link in the upper right. Click OK when you are asked, are you sure you want to navigate away from this page? We were not asked in this example, therefore we'll just proceed. On the administration page, under session management, select Manage Sessions. In the cursor cache section, locate your query and select View Log. Your log entry should look similar to the area highlighted. You will notice that we chose brand from the product, actual unit price from fact, dollars from fact, revenue rank from fact, and units from fact. This is another way of checking the query log without the need of logging into the Enterprise Manager. Click the Browse Back button to return to the administration screen. You can sign out now from the Oracle Business Intelligence Analytics. In the preceding steps, I showed you how to open the repository in offline mode, create a calculation measure derived from existing columns, create a calculation measure using a function, load the repository, create and run an analysis, and also showed you a different way of checking the query log. I look forward to showing you the next steps of the course, and thank you for watching.